was actually removed from Santa Display by the Southern Railway and put back into service as a part of their steam program. During this time, Norfolk and Western and the Southern Railways would actually merge before what is now known as Norfolk Southern, and she would continue to do excursion runs until 1994. When that steam program ended, she was sent back to the museum, which is now known as the Virginia Museum of Transportation. She was sent at various places until 2013, when the museum launched a campaign, Fire Up 611, an attempt to raise $3.5 million by the end of October so they could restore 611 to operating conditions. Norfolk Southern themselves actually donated $1.5 million for the job, and she was finally put under steam again in 2015. But she still runs to this day. The Union Pacific FEF series, yet another small group of 484 Northern type steam locomotives. Only 45 were produced, but the FEFs are top tier steam locomotives, right up there with the aforementioned J-Class. Union Pacific ran these girls really hard. They could run at about 14,000 miles a month, and in particular, they were capable of going 100 miles per hour on the regular. But because they showed up so late towards the end of steam, being built between 1937 and 1944, Union Pacific never really knew how fast the FEFs could go. A former manager of the Union Pacific Steam Program once commented on it, saying that although it is stated that the UP FEF series were designed to safely operate at 120 miles per hour, no one really knows how fast the final 484 could go. The last FEF series never actually retired. He's right. It was separately known as the FEF model, the FEF1, the FEF2, and the FEF3. The FEF3's potential is debatable. It's really clear to read about because among all the preserved FEFs, there are four of them. There's one FEF1, number 814, there's one FEF2, number 833, and there are two FEF3s, 838 and 844. Now 838 generally serves as a set of spare parts for 844, because 844 still serves the Union Pacific Railroad now. No, seriously, unlike all other systems, classes of locomotives. GG1s are legendary. Built between 1934 and 1943, 139 GG1s were produced, and they were phenomenal. They entered service in 1945. 48 years of service the GG1s put in. And for electric locomotives, that's a substantial achievement. They were massive pieces of equipment and capable of pulling